Hi team, welcome to your 21 days of Pilates with Janet. Today you made it is 21, day 21. It is a stretch and a flexion and a breath class. So totally relaxing to smooth out that body and just reflect on your journey doing all 21 classes. So taking a nice long deep breath in, exhale and push the air downwards. Inhale, rise, exhale, drop it down. First, I'd like to thank those who have stuck with this program for the whole 21 days. You are amazing. Feel free to leave how you're feeling in the comments below. And also, if you want to see more of these 21-day challenges, let me know as well. Or maybe even a shorter one, maybe not 21, 7 days is fine, 10 days. All right, let's pull that right leg in, left leg extends and rotate to the side. And then to the other side. To the right, stretch out the sides of the body. And then to the left side. I'm just swooshing, so nothing too strenuous, no muscle activation. Everything is about a pull out through the body there for me. And then we're just going to fold your body forward over to that left leg, hands reaching towards, somewhere along the leg is fine. No need to grab all the way to the toes, depending on the flexibility of your hamstrings and lower back. Everybody's a little bit different. Swapping it over, left leg in, right leg out. So swish to the left and then over to the right. Come in to the left and again to the right. Side to side we go. Extending out through the torsos for me. Good, and then rotate your body. Lean over towards your right leg, hands onto the foot or to the leg. Keep your leg relatively straight so that your back of the hamstrings get that elongation out. Especially if you've been doing all the workouts and your body's a bit sore today, definitely great time just to stretch it all back out again. Helps the recovery. So feet together, knees coming up and down. Opening up through your hips. This is for your butterfly pose. I use it a lot in yoga. Good, and then pushing the knees down with your elbows, dropping your body forward. Chest coming close over the legs. And breathe out. And just keep it nice and still. Nice, releasing upwards. And we're just going to turn to the left side, left leg bent, or if you're okay to with your pigeon, right leg extends, or it can be bent, and then body comes down. Inhale, lift up through the chest, pull out through the back, straighten out the arms, and drop it down, and then elongate out, forehead to the ground, hands reaching forward. Put your body weight over the legs to open up the hip. So just make sure both hips are square to the mat. So in this whole series, there are 3 sets of stretches. If you want a little bit more, you can go back to those other weeks and stretch it as well. So right leg is in front, left leg can be bent as I had it, or straighten it out. Hip square, drop it down. Exhale, push the fingertips and lift up through the chest. Arching back a little bit, chin lifted upwards, looking up to the roof, to your ceiling. And then drop it all the way down. Arms stretching out forward, forehead to the ground there, letting the hip and glutes open up and just relaxing into it. Coming up slowly and have your legs out nice and straight. Taking a nice long deep breath in, reaching up. Exhale out, fold it forward. Hands coming to where you can on the legs. Doesn't matter if it doesn't reach to the toes. And then inhale, rise again, stretch out tall. exhale, come forward, maybe a centimeter or so, a little bit longer, an inch or so longer. Doesn't matter if you don't go too far. And reach up again, stretching out nice and long. So the stretch is actually from the lower back and hamstrings getting more flexible. It's not your arms obviously getting longer. That generally doesn't happen. If you've got your toes, maybe elbows comes down and release it. Scoot on down, lying on the mat, arms extended. Right leg opens out. And then hug your left knee in towards the chest. We do this stretch a lot. This is your figure 4 stretch. You've been doing the other classes. I'm sure you're very well aware of this stretch, but I love it. It's great for the glutes just to open up because it's quite tight in that glute area from all our work in Pilates. And release, letting the knees fall side to side. So coming over to the right side first and going over to the left side, helping that lower back stretch out a little. And back to the right and over to the left. Back over to the right, just hold. And then one more time to the left. Come into center and then crossing that right leg completely over and dropping the knees to the left side, head looking to the right. A little bit more of a deeper pull and a stretch in your spine there. Come back into the middle. Let's do the other side. So open up that left knee, right leg comes in towards you, hands gripping behind your thighs, all the way to the shins if you've got that range. Good, and releasing it, hands open out, knees falling to the left, gently to the right, then back to the left. So keeping your figure 4 positioning. Doesn't matter if the knee doesn't come all the way down to the ground on either side, it's just whatever your spine will allow you to do. Come back into the middle, cross that left leg over the right and drop the knees to the right side as your head looking to the left. Good. Extend your left leg down, right leg comes up into the air, hamstring stretch here to the roof, pulling that leg towards you. Good, and we're going to just drop the hand and drop that right leg to the side. Try to keep your opposite hip from lifting too far off the ground. Keep it nice and square. Obviously that leg does not have to go down too low. It just depends on your range here. And gently release that leg all the way down. Swapping over, right leg goes down, left leg goes up high into the air, both hands behind the leg somewhere, and just drag it slowly in towards the body. And then keeping your left hand on that leg later. Let the leg slowly fall down to the left side, opposite hip staying square to the ground, so don't go too far away. If you find that your hips are lifting, feel a little draft underneath your right side of the glute, it means you've gone too far. Good, and release it in, dropping the legs down, right hand onto the chest, left hand onto the belly. Take a nice long deep breath in through the nose. Let it travel all the way down into the belly button, into your diaphragm, and slowly exhaling out there through the mouth. And again, deep breath in, breathe it into the hands, and then exhaling out. Let's breathe it in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath for me right at the top. And breathe it out for 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold the breath empty. And again in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe it out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Keep going with your breathing for me. Finish off that final round. And then just let the arms drop beside you. Feeling that body sink as you return your breath to a normal pattern. Feeling the feet fall out to the side as you start to feel that body imprint into the mat. Touch points of the calves to the thighs, to the glutes and lower back, shoulders and arms, back of the head. Relaxing through the features of the face, removing any frowns that you might still hold in there, especially that spot between the eyebrows. No clench of the jaw, letting the throat open up to allow that breath to travel in and down into the body. Nice and easy. Letting the feet just fall away and relax. Feel free to stay here for a little bit longer. Anytime you want to, you can come on up. I'd like to thank you for joining me on the stretch and also your 21-day challenge. Bye for now.